What if the next global conflict isn't fought by soldiers, but by intelligent machines? At IDEX 2025, China just revealed military robots so advanced, they left the world stunned and alarmed. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of war, unfolding right before our eyes. The International Military Exhibition, IDEX 2025, the most important military industry event of the year, just ended. The expo, which took place in Abu Dhabi in the last few days of February, grew to be the biggest defense technology event in the Middle East and one of the most important venues for displaying the newest developments in military hardware and weapons. A record for IDEX was set by the 1,565 firms from 65 nations that attended the show. 7 nations and 731 new businesses were among the attendees, showcasing their expositions for the first time. Over 132,000 visitors from 65 nations attended the previous expo, and $6.35 billion worth of contracts were inked. Weaponry and military equipment for ground forces, air forces, naval forces, and air defense systems were among the many defense technologies and systems that were covered at IDEX 2025. This year, Russia played an active role in the exhibition. The Russian exposition occupied approximately 1,040 square meters and included 48 organizations and enterprises from the defense industry. Among the showcased innovations, the most notable were the X-69 cruise missile, a multifunctional, low-observable, high-precision, next-generation missile, X-58 anti-radar missile, demonstrated on the international stage for the first time, drawing the attention of specialists. Supercam S-350 unmanned aerial vehicle, a Russian drone presented at the exhibition, showcasing advancements in unmanned technologies. T-90M Proriv, an export version of the deeply modernized main battle tank presented by Uralvagonzavod. According to developers, this is essentially a new tank with an advanced design. IDEX 2025 featured more than 3,300 cutting-edge defense technologies, including innovations in maritime security, cybersecurity, and many other areas. IDEX 2025 reaffirmed its status as a leading international platform for showcasing the latest defense technologies and establishing partnerships in the field of defense and security. The record number of participants and presented innovations reflects the growing interest in this event and its importance for the global defense industry. Now let's move on to the other news. Rare footage has surfaced online from a secret Iranian military base, showing intensive training of FPV drone operators. These images appear to have been taken at one of the classified facilities of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps and reveal how Iran is preparing a new generation of fighters for modern drone warfare. The footage shows several successful attacks on simulated targets. FPV drones fly at low altitude and strike mock-ups of armored vehicles in fortified positions. After each hit, telemetry data appears on the screen, recording the accuracy of the strikes. The video confirms that Iran is actively developing tactical FPV drones and training specialists for their deployment in real combat scenarios. These technologies could significantly enhance the capabilities of the Iranian armed forces and proxy groups such as Hezbollah and the Yemeni Houthis. It is becoming increasingly clear that drone warfare is an integral part of future conflicts, and nations capable of effectively utilizing FPV drones gain a significant advantage on the battlefield. The British company MSI Defence Systems has developed the advanced drone interception system, Terrahawk Paladin. This is a mobile air defense complex designed to protect against unmanned aerial vehicles, cruise missiles, and other low-flying threats. Paladin is equipped with a 30mm automatic cannon, Mark 44 Bushmaster, capable of firing up to 200 rounds per minute. It uses airburst ammunition, allowing it to effectively engage drones at a distance of up to 2 kilometers. The system also supports the installation of additional weaponry, including guided missiles with semi-active laser guidance. The detection system includes a radar with all-around coverage, optical targeting devices, a thermal imager, and a laser rangefinder. Paladin can operate both in fully autonomous mode and under operator control. Thanks to its modular design, it can be deployed on both stationary objects and mobile platforms. The American company Overland AI, specializing in the development of off-road autonomous systems for the defense sector, has created the innovative Overdrive system. This artificial intelligence system enables remote operation of ground vehicles without human intervention. Through this technology, the company aims to enhance the efficiency of ground operations and ensure the safety of military personnel by providing advanced and reliable autonomy solutions for the armed forces of the United States and their partners. This reduces risks and acts as a force multiplier, integrating with existing command and control systems through an open API. The company strives to remove people from high-risk areas by equipping ground vehicles with unmatched off-road mobility and tactical maneuvering capabilities. The Chinese have taken military advancements even further. They are developing not just combat machines, but universal humanoids capable of fully replacing humans on the battlefield in coming years. One such robot is the Unitree G1. Almost every day, new videos emerge showcasing the robot's progress in various fields. Recently, the G1 impressed robotics enthusiasts with authentic kung fu movements, including a spinning kick. In the near future, such a robot could be used as a universal soldier, and an army of these robots would become an immensely powerful combat force that would be incredibly difficult to defeat. For now, this robot can be purchased for $16,000 and used as a personal bodyguard. The Military Technical Institute of Serbia has introduced its latest development, the combat robot named Malusin. This unmanned ground vehicle is designed to enhance the capabilities of the Serbian armed forces in reconnaissance and combat operations. The vehicle weighs 620 kilograms and can reach a speed of up to 7 kilometers per hour. It is an autonomous tracked platform with remote control, equipped with a Zastava M86 machine gun, an M11 grenade launcher, and a surveillance system with a thermal imager. For observation and target detection, Malus is equipped with a thermal imaging camera, daytime and nighttime cameras, and a laser rangefinder with a range of up to 2,000 meters. The robot can recognize targets at a distance of up to 1,000 meters using a charge-coupled device and up to 450 meters with a thermal imaging camera. The design of Milos allows for the installation of other types of weaponry, including anti-tank missile systems and electronic warfare systems. The Russian army continues to actively integrate robots into its combat units, aiming to improve the efficiency and safety of military operations. One of the latest developments by Russian engineers is the robotic system named Voron, designed to support assault operations and assist infantry units. Voron is a tracked platform equipped with the remotely controlled turret DUP-2. This turret is compatible with various models of Kalashnikov machine guns and allows for precise fire at distances ranging from 100 to 800 meters. The robot's control range reaches 15 kilometers. In addition to combat functions, Voron has a high payload capacity, capable of transporting loads weighing up to 1.5 tons. Additionally, various systems can be mounted on the platform, including electronic warfare complexes and reconnaissance modules. The unveiling of Chinese military robots at IDEX 2025 has sent shockwaves through the global defense community. With cutting-edge AI, autonomous combat capabilities, and futuristic designs, these machines signal a bold new era in modern warfare. As nations race to adapt, one thing is clear: China's technological leap has raised the stakes. The battlefield of tomorrow won't just be manned by soldiers, but by intelligent machines reshaping the rules of engagement. The world is watching, and the future of warfare has arrived.